Our post foot has this design. Can be fastened with the different types of screws, but in this case we're going to use a concrete screw, Hilti Hus 3, 10 x 90 millimeters. We need a drill hammer to get into the concrete and a 10 millimeter drill. We need a blowout to clean the hole, and we need an impact driver together with a torque limiter and an appropriate socket. In this case we're using the 65 foot-pounds or 90 Newton meters torque limiter and a 15 millimeter socket. So hole needs to be drilled to the appropriate depth. Hole needs to be cleared. We get the concrete screw and go in place. The toes of the post foot should point out towards the edge. That way we get the barrier on the inside here getting all the way down to the floor. Torque limiter ensures that we're not overstressing the concrete screw. Once the post foot has been installed, we're going to install the post into the bracket. All of our brackets has the post lock integrated, and this is the post bottom that locks into place with the dimples in the socket. Put it in. Once you put it in, you simply twist it 180 degrees past the two levels of the dimples. That makes it sure that no matter what direction this one is placed, it cannot be unintentionally taken out of the socket. Once the post has been installed, we need to open the barrier locks. So with the barrier locks open, it's easy to put the barrier in place, flick the latch so that it points towards the floor, and your barrier is securely attached and also cannot unintentionally be taken away in any way. Now this is the same no matter if you're using the barrier or the adjustable link bars or any of their other products. Barrier lock works just the same way. Once you get to a corner, the normal solution would of course be to have one post in each side of the corner. What we have is the barrier bracket 360 that enables us to use a single post corner solution. Once we get to the corner there, we need to add the barrier bracket 360 to the post. For this type of corner, it's very important that we have the barrier lock on the inside of the post so that we're not putting it outside of the post. Goes onto there. Then we've successfully made a solution to have a one post corner going into place. Now this is a full support of the barrier, post and everything, creating a one post corner solution.